It's time for another gardening update. Guys, I'm just sharing with you my green onion plant that went to seed. Look at that. This is not the first time this onion plant went to seed, but I just love the flowery look of going to seed. Now, I'm not sure if I cut this too soon to get seeds off here. I think they're black, but let me just see. Hold on, if I can get some seeds out of there. And I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm messing around. Is it in these little pot things? I don't know. I might have plucked this baby too soon. I think the little, see them little things right there? I think the seeds are in there. But let me see if I can open one. Maybe I might have, okay. That little thing right there. Wait a minute, where is it? Right there is where I think, hold on y'all. I could get it over there. This little thing right there, I think the seeds are in there. I think, I'm not sure. I can't get nothing out of it. Maybe it's supposed to dry up or so. Or I took it off the plant too soon. Sorry, you're getting nothing but hand. Hand action. Well, I think I might took this off the plant too soon. I'm gonna let it continue to, I'm gonna go let it sit in here and dry up and see if seeds come off of it. I don't know. Help me out. Okay. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.